By 2047, we have to grow. The life sciences sector should lead the globe. At least we have to be in that 5 areas of growth. And what we see is we want to lead the next wave of the life sciences innovation. And we are all you people are here not just to participate, and you are the leaders, you just want to lead. Around the world, right now what we are seeing is the world is being reshaped by the new technologies, the new therapies, and especially the digital transformation. How best we can position ourselves, preparing for this future with lots of care, scale and intent. That's the real reason I was mentioning about 𝗏𝗏, wherein the company can access to the biomanufacturing infrastructure. One, we are also investing in lots of talent creation and promoting high quality research. Through the upcoming, first is we are coming up with a life sciences policy and pooling the talent through the life sciences school. This is first ever in India, and elders of this sector, the life sciences sector, have suggested, and we are working on it by January 2nd week to show and to reflect to all the world how we are shaping the skill. We are planning to unveil our life sciences policy in the 𝗪𝗓, in the Davos. And world-class institutions should be there. Our line of objective is, we have ISB here, we have IIT here, and why can't we have this sort of a school of the life sciences over here, which have the world-class quality? And we would, through this, positioning ourselves in terms of providing the skill, providing the infrastructure through 𝗏𝗏, or giving the utmost importance to the next generation students in terms of providing and instituting a life sciences university, a school. The basic objective of this school is to have the courses, the people who are interested in the life sciences, and at the same time, the company professionals or the executives who need reskilling and upskilling. And this life sciences school shall be useful for them. And the innovation really takes place at their level. This is what we are trying to do.